guys, welcome back. I know sometimes some people will have problems with like stick drift on your Xbox One controller. So what you will need to do is there's 5 screws that you'll have to take out. One is here, right there. Let me focus right there. One is back here. One is there. One is here. And one is here. Alright. So the screws are right here. And as you can see in the middle, there's a piece of metal that's like sticking up almost to a point. What you'll need to do is take a flathead screwdriver, and get in there and break it off. So what you need to do is just put it back. Try to focus the camera. Put it back, well, as it originally be in there, but you just take it and you just push and break that metal piece off, and you can take the controller apart. Or you can get yourself a multi type tool type point or bit like this works as well. But you still have to break that piece off to get this in there to fit. I have a toolkit with some stuff in it, so I had one of these. But once you break that off, a flathead screwdriver will work as well. Hope this helps somebody when you're trying to open your controller or fix something or clean it. Hope this helps.